going to do our first color slime kit ever. We've got the new Elmer's color slime kit. See what we got in here?
Wow. Yes.
Get it?
Yes. I get that
Wanna pull 'em out?
and gold and green. Green.
We've got the Elmer's Magic Liquid. We've got 2 of those. He's squeaking. We got washable color glue. We got green and blue. And we got sprinkles. We got glitter. Just in case we want to throw that in there too, right?
Thank you, Daddy.
Okay, so the ingredients, we have magic liquid, colored liquid glue, the container, the utensils, measuring spoon. Pour out 1 Elmer's translucent colored glue into the container. Here,
Wow.
open it this way.
Okay.
Now dump it out.
Okay. Wow.
And then you add half of the bottle of the Elmer's Magic Liquid solution into the container and mix it well.
Wow.
Can you get it all out?
I got all done.
Is it all done?
Yes.
Do a little bit in there. You like green?
Yes. I get all done now.
Is that Gigi's favorite color, green?
Yes.
No, it's not.
I get table now.
Okay, so we add half of the bottle. See where it is? A little bit more. All right, and then we mix it.
Wow. So beautiful.
Keep mixing. I'm gonna take my rings off. You're mixing it so well. You can already see it changing, can't you?
I get tasting gold. I get tasting canes white green. Look, white day.
Yeah. Starting to mix together. Is it hard to mix?
Yes.
You're supposed to mix the rest of it. You gonna pour it all in there? Go ahead. Woo! Keep mixing.
Okay.
It says mix until well incorporated. You will notice the mixture becoming harder to mix and the slime begins to form. Once it's ready to go, we'll take it out and begin kneading it with both of our hands.
I got all done now.
Is it all done? Here, use this. One try.
Okay.
Oh, it's still a little bit in there. Liquidy.
I get like my eyes. I get my eyes. I give me table and green.
Do you want to try putting sprinkles in it?
Yes, now.
Here, you keep mixing it. Let me open this.
Okay.
Keep mixing.
Wow.
Making our own. We like glitter, don't we?
Wow.
Gets everywhere. Mix it in there. Let me try it. It's all done changing. Okay, well you get it and start mixing. mixing it with your hands.
Okay.
Take it out. You gotta start. Ooh, it's sticky.
Yeah.
You gotta knead it. Wow.
Wow.
And you still see all the purple sparkles in there.
Yes.
You gonna get it? Oh no! Sticking to our table cover. You like slime?
Yeah.
Can you stretch it and knead it? You're getting off the table. Hold it in your hands and stretch it.
Okay.
Is it sticking to your hands? Don't wipe it on your clothes. We'll wash our hands after we're done.
Okay.
It is a little sticky. But it worked pretty good. Doesn't it? Look at that stretch. Well, I'd say our first slime
Pull this off.
craft was a success.
Whoa!